Welcome to our lesson on data science skills and big data. Today, we will explore essential skills that every data scientist should possess to thrive in this dynamic field. Let's discuss the core skills required for data science. Statistical analysis is fundamental for interpreting data, while programming skills in Python enable effective data manipulation. Data visualization is crucial for communicating insights. Tools like Tableau and Matplotlib help visualize complex data, while storytelling techniques enhance clarity in presentations. This quote emphasizes the value of data in today's world. Understanding how to extract insights from data is essential for any aspiring data scientist. Machine learning is a key component of data science. We have supervised learning, which uses labeled data for predictions, and unsupervised learning, which identifies patterns in unlabeled data. Big data technologies are essential for managing large datasets. Hadoop provides a framework for distributed processing, while Spark excels in real-time data handling. Several tools are essential for data scientists. Jupyter Notebooks provide an interactive coding environment, while RStudio enhances productivity for our users. Anaconda simplifies package management for Python and R. As we look to the future, data science will continue to evolve. Emerging trends like AI integration and automated analytics will shape the landscape of this field. Data ethics is an important consideration for data scientists. They must prioritize user privacy and be aware of biases that can affect the fairness of their algorithms. Collaboration is vital in data science. Interdisciplinary teams often include statisticians, domain experts, and engineers, making communication skills essential for sharing insights effectively. This quote highlights the importance of data in decision-making. It reinforces the need for data-driven approaches in our analyses and strategies. Continuous learning is essential in data science. Engaging in online courses and networking with professionals can help you stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. Data science has real-world applications across various sectors. In healthcare, it enhances patient care through predictive analytics, while in finance, it aids in fraud detection and risk management. To summarize, we discussed essential skills such as programming and statistics, along with the importance of data visualization and ethics. Looking ahead, emerging trends like AI will continue to shape data science. As we conclude this lesson, reflect on the skills discussed today. In the next module, we will delve deeper into specific data science techniques and applications. Thank you for joining this lesson on data science skills and big data. Remember to keep exploring and applying what you've learned as you continue your journey in data science.